welcome back to my channel. Today we have unboxing of Medusa's box. It's all open here, and this is the July box, and the value of the box is $37.95 dollars. And yeah, I got 4 full-size products. This box is vegan and cruelty free, so let's go in. And the first one is their matte eyeshadow in shades Key Largo, and this retails for $9. I use it under my lower lash line with a darker blue eyeshadow. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful and it's nicely pigmented. And here's the swatch. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It screams summer to me. Then we have one of their eye dusts, and this is the shade Penny Wise. It's like this beautiful copper shade, and this is what I'm wearing all over my lid. It's very super sparkly, and the retail price for this is $8. Then we have their Cha 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 Cherry Bomb Lip Balm, which retails for $8.95. I have one of their lip balms, so I'm not gonna open it. I will put it in a upcoming giveaway. I have at the moment giveaway going on, which I will link down below, so go check it out. You can win one of the 5 eyeshadow palettes. You can win the Marc Jacobs 5 pan eyeshadow palette. You can choose your color, and yeah, I will link the giveaway down below, so you can go and enter if you wanna try some fancy eyeshadow. Then the last item in this box is their lip paint in shade Hanky Panky. Now, this is beautiful. This is what I'm wearing on my lips, but it was so hard to apply, and even now if you look really closely you can see the edges are not as perfect as they should be, and there is a little bit color difference, which I don't like. This feels super drying on lips because I needed to do more than 1 layer to get like even opaque color. It is long wearing. It doesn't get on your teeth. In that sense it's nice, but for me it's a little bit too dry. I have one of the brighter shades, which I also needed to do a couple of coats to get that nice application, but it wasn't feeling that heavy, and it was easier to get the edges nice. With this it's a little bit harder, so that's why I'm not 100% loving it. But the color in the end is nice. Maybe for special occasion I would wear it and put more effort at applying it. But yes, this is it for the July box. I do think they should have put something brighter. This is not very summery shade. This is like very fall to me. I wouldn't wear it right now at all. But this retails for $12. And yeah, that's it. August they will be turning Medusa's makeup will turn 2 years, so they have like a special box coming out. I can't wait what's in that. But yes, this is it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you have tried it. What do you think of the products down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.